9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast. I'm Key Speaker 222 with Dogecoin and you, and I want to do a quick update on Matic because I know a lot of people are still holding or considering getting in. So we have to get back into this channel. We get rejected by here, we'll come back to 156, and that's what I said. 166, you can decide what you want to do, but I had all the confidence in the world it would come back up here. I'm not selling yet. I feel like we're trying to push up here and do something. Let's see if we can get on top side of 166. If we break down below 156, we're going to come all the way down to the bottom of the channel down here at like 140. So we could always buy back in if that were the case. You know, if you decided to sell out if this doesn't work out. But I'm still waiting to see how this plays. We're right at that 166 support level. We need to hold that as support so we can just prove a wick down and then use this as a support. We need Bitcoin to push up farther. We are having a cross though, a bullish cross in the 4 hourly, technically. Let's look at some of our indicators real quick and then I'm gonna let you guys go. This is gonna be a short and sweet update. I think I already have the RSI and stochastic on. So I mean, like in the 4 hourly, the RSI is real low. Stochastic is coming out of oversold. We had a bullish cross on the stochastic. So we've got room here on Bitcoin now. Like, are we going to come up? Are we going to try to touch the 20-day and get rejected at 46,150? That's a possibility. In the 2 hourly, we started the obviously bearish cross. The 20 crossed the 50. We just haven't come through the 100 yet. So this is a big moment here. Can we break the 45,800? We haven't started a cross in the 3 or 4 hourly. In the daily time frame, we came right down basically to the support levels. It's rising now, trying to come up to us. But we're starting a bullish divergence, as you can see, the 50 or the 20 crossed the 50 in the daily time frame. So in the shorter time frames, where it showed us we were coming down, the longer time frames are showing us we still got work to do. In the weekly time frame, it never pulled back through. And you can see though in the weekly, it's way down there on the moving averages. So there's some stuff going on. Daily still needs to pull through, but other than that, you know. So then we've got with Matic, it's important we stay above this line right here at 166. This is where we have to stay above. That's the weekly 20-day. If we're below 167.9, is that what it is? Because it keeps moving. That's a little lower. About 167.6, that can be very bearish. And you see on the weekly, we're coming up to resistance. So if we get rejected here, and we can't break back up into here, it's going to be a bad sign. If we can get back into here, we can make a run. But we want to make sure if this is going to pop down, if this ends up being an M-topping reversal, that we're ready. Because if this ends up playing as an M-topping reversal, this will kick way down, and it won't hold 156 this next time through. And then Bitcoin would likely be going to 42. So there's a lot of stuff to watch. That's why I said, though, don't sell at 156. If you're going to sell, get back to even roughly at 166. And then let the market determine it for you. Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to wait to see how we react to this level. Because Bitcoin very easily could pull up. But we do need to get topside right now. You'd really like to be over this 45,800 area, just so you can get back into this. And we stayed on our uptrend. That's the thing. We never broke the uptrend. I was trying to see if we can go tighter, because I believe it probably should be. If we come up here, I mean, that is very possible, because that's up here. Instead of just wicks now, this is up in the action area. That's the aggressive play. I like that a lot. A lot. Because now you can see it. If it's on the top side of this, it can remain a little bullish. And then if it falls below this, you know it's trouble. So make sure you pay attention. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm feeling. And then I just want to show you one other thing. Ethereum. Ethereum's trying to make a run up. It passed back over the 4-hour time frame at 3,330, and that is very bullish if it can stay over that. If we can stay over that, then we can complete the daily time frame, because it's suggesting to us in the daily we have to create a bullish divergence, and we've already come through the 50 and the 100. Just now we came through the 100 on this pullback up. So that means the 200 is right around the corner. So I mean, if we're looking at it in these regards, yes, we're oversold, but we're touching the support line on the RSI, broke through stochastic. If we break down through here, we're probably going to come down to about 3,100. So that's why we need to pay attention, because if it's going to come down there, you know, you can buy back, especially like Matic would be down probably below 156, down in the 140s if this happened. That's why this is a very critical spot on the pattern. It all comes down to Bitcoin. Stay blessed, everyone.